All right, we are back here less than a year at Longboards in Walkerton, and I've heard they replaced the system with a brand new LaserWash 360 Plus, similar to the setup that's in New Carlisle, Indiana, another car wash owned by Joe, and we'll see if this is the case. So we got the Big Kahuna Plus, the Whitewater, the Rip Curl, and the Tsunami, and we're gonna go, it's 15, 12, 10, and 8. We're gonna go with the $15 wash. And yes, it is indeed a brand new LaserWash 360 Plus with onboard dryers. So we're gonna go ahead and pay. And I'm way too far away.
Broadband payment is select. If you'd like to have a receipt, please wait while your card is authorized.
And we've got the go-ahead. This has onboard swing air dryers. You go with undercarriage wash. And we have got the stop. So I've got my camera set down right now, so this is gonna be all GoPro. Oh, the door shuts. And we're taking measurements. All right. So here we should go with some pre-soak. Oh, it's got the LED package on it. Great coating of pre-soak to start out with. Already this is better than the last time I was here. Fantastic coating of pre-soak. That is just an excellent coat of pre-soak. Here we come with a second pass. Another excellent coat, 2 for 2. Again, doing a fantastic job with the pre-soak. We're waiting, we're soaking, and then we should get our high pressure rinse. Yes, here we go. Listen to that pressure washer. It sounds fantastic. Nice, strong rinse. Well, we're gonna watch the machine come over the top here. Sorry, I just totally smashed the microphone into the sunroof there. We do have tri-foam applicators. So, what are we gonna get? Oh, we're getting Armor All wax coating. And going into a rinse from somewhere. Nope, this is Rain-X now. And now we go into tri-foam, which is, in fact, tri-foam. gets the back pretty decently, actually. So let's just throw a crap ton of chemicals on is what we're going for here. It starts right away with the rinse. This seems to be a slightly faster pass than the previous one. Yeah, it's definitely faster. This thing's moving. Oh, that's right, it started in the back. So we should get spot free, yep. And we should get our swing air dryers. I already like the way it looks on the back there. Just kidding, I lied. There is a pop can in the gantry, in the bridge. And I lied, they're not swing air. They're just regular Max Air onboard dryers. They look like they could be swing air, so they must use the same bridge cutout. For both. Second pass here. This one seems slower, actually. See the LEDs there. The sensor. Dryers are doing a better job the second time around. You can see the newer PDQ logo there with OPW, and of course that citrus drop generic pop can stuck in the dryer there. I have a feeling once this gets to the back, that's going to be the end of the drying cycle and it's going to tell me to leave. Yep. I wish it would do one more pass. We'll wait till it comes all the way back to the front here. And we'll go ahead and pull out. So that is a LaserWash 360 Plus at Longboards in Walkerton, Indiana. Thank you guys for watching.